Yesterday, gold against US dollar has managed to make a bearish breakout for a while on the smaller time frame below to 653.45. We can see that, and the price has formed this large wick on the bottom side and a small wick, very small, on the upper side with a small bearish body, which means the yesterday levels I have mentioned, that there is a needed for the price to make a bullish breakout above around the price to 672.30 in order to rise in value and move to the higher price levels, or to make a bearish breakout around below this support level, which is to 653.45. We can see that where the price is currently having problems to move below. Price tried to move lower, but the bulls have prevented the price to move below this demand zone, which means there are some selling pressure here, but the bulls are not allowing the price to move below the support in order to move even further down. So for now we can see that the price is still in this area that needs to make a bearish or bullish breakout in order to continue to move in any of the directions. So for now there is nothing to mention, but one thing that is also very important to see, what I currently see on the chart, is this a bullish pin bar format on the chart, which usually means when there is a pin bar format on the gold against US dollar, this means to move in that direction. When it is a bullish pin bar, we can see that here, that means to move to the upper side. We can see if we go in the past how the price is behaving when there is a bullish or bearish pin bar. We can see that here the price follows that direction, but this bullish or bearish pin bar should be formed right on the right spot, and that means if it is bullish pin bar, it should be located at the support level. If it is bearish pin bar, should be located on the resistance level. So for now, what I can see here, the price is formed a bullish pin bar at the support level, but the price is stuck in here in this range area where we need to find a way out. The price needs to make a bullish breakout or bearish breakout to define where the price will go further. Until then, I'm still waiting outside. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.